Aloha! Howzit, GrassHopper? Grüß Gott und 안녕하세요. Today's sugar time. I have a long waited. Yes, this is like a 7-year itch that I had ever since Robert had it. And yes, this is a Rossi R92 chambered in 357 Magnum and 38 Special. The camera's resolution, I could do this way too, alright? And I heard it through the grapevine that Taurus acquired Rossi, and they were making the rifles. So me being a poor man, I started saving the money. I saved about $200 and ready to purchase the rifles, but Jiminy Crickets. This rifle was selling out like a hotcakes. And man, I'm like, come on guys, give me a break. And yep, you got it. Cavella had it, and I jumped on it. I didn't wait. I couldn't wait. I jumped on it and I purchased it. So a few things that I'm going to talk about is everything seems pretty normal. Action's pretty good. And of course, you know, the loading gate is the, you know, good Lord. And the rear sight and the front sight, it's not good. So what I did was I ordered the rear sight and the front sight for the round contour barrel from Steve's Gunz. Steve's Gunz from Lampasas, Texas. So I'll be changing that. When I go to the website and I do a Google, you know, like action screw, torque, you know, specs. There's none for the lever action. None for the lever action. And there's one GrassHopper. He tried to speak German. Well, he said it was in German. It's a guten tight. Guten tight, like the Savage. And I'm gonna my torque screwdriver on lowest I could put is 9 pounds. Then I go from the 9 pounds and to see what the settings are, so that when you have the knob to take it apart and then put it back on, then you know how much you got to put on. I'm gonna do the big one first. Okay, before I do that, I'm gonna mark the position of the screw slot, so that when it moves, you can see it. That's not good. Okay, I got a permanent marker. I hope it comes off. I'm putting on the right side so that the when it moves, you're gonna move clockwise, so you will see the movement. So this is what I did. This is 9 pounds. Again, just like the last, if it's more than 9 pounds, it will click. But if it's not, then it will turn, and then to the 9 pounds, and then it will click. Oh, yeah, it's turning. It's turning. Okay, that's 9 pounds. Yeah, you could clearly see that. So this screw wasn't even 9 pounds at all. 7 pounds, maybe 7, 8 pounds. Okay, the next one. I'm still at the 9 pounds. Oh, this one even turned at all. As you heard it, it just clicked. This one. I will put it in the video, what these screws are. Yep, it's turning. Turned a little bit and it clicked. So this was like 7 pounds and this was like 8 pounds. But this one didn't move. This one didn't move. Top one. Oh, top one didn't move either. That was 9 pounds. You can see the position of the screw slots. I'm going to do the other side. Okay, so this one, still 9 pounds. Yep, we turned it. Yep, you heard it. No, maybe not. Okay, that's 9 pounds. Yep, 9 pounds. Didn't move. That one didn't move either. 9 pounds. Those screws didn't move. And then there are screws that turned. I'm back to this one to see how many pounds it is. So I'm going to 10 pounds. And then I'll adjust every one of them. Let's see this one. Nope, it didn't move at all. Same, right there's a mark. That's 11 pounds. I want to see how much it takes to move it. Oh, it's moving. It moved. I don't know if I heard it. It went and then it moved. Okay, so this rest of them should be 10 pounds. There you go. All right, you want to see more? All right, here we go. It's not going to strip it at all. You heard that? Yeah, it's moving. Yep. That was 11 pounds. And it moved maybe thousandth of an inch. And this was 10 pounds. Not 11 pounds, but 10 pounds. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set everything at 10 pounds. Yep, it's moving. Still 10 pounds. 10. Right there is 10 pounds. This one is 11 pounds, so it just moved about smidgen. So that's 10 pounds. How about this one? 10 pounds. Yep, tighten. It's turning. You can see it's turning. And 10 pounds. You're gonna say, what about this one? Forget it, kid. This is gonna be a 0 pound, just like the Savage rear guard trigger guard screw. 0 pounds. Okay, what else? All right, I gotta change to smaller, then go 10 pounds. Yep, 10 pounds. 10 pounds. 10 pounds. Yep. 10 pounds. Turn it around. Okay. 10 pounds. 10 pounds. Now you got it. So, now here's the guide that you could go by to tighten back the screws. So all these at 10 pounds. The previous guide where the hand tight is depend on the person, because I know GrassHopper, he can shear off the screw head right off. Just tightening it. Only thing that I couldn't do was these 2 screws that holds the level action, the level to the I guess that is the bolt stop right there. So that's the one. I don't have skinnier screw to fit into that, but again, I'm assuming that you could set it at 10 pounds. I set everything 10 pounds except the stock screws. Okay, 0 pounds. This is wood screw just holding the butt pad. Yep, my 7-year each. All right, we'll see you at the range. Aloha.